All right, let's dive right into this explainer. If you've been searching for a way to seriously supercharge your income this year, well, you're in the exact right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 7 side hustles that are absolutely exploding in 2026. And look, we aren't just guessing here. These are backed by Forbes, supported by real data, and most importantly, they're actual methods working for everyday people right now. We're talking folks pulling in anywhere from $2,000 to upwards of $10,000 or more every single month. We're going to rank them all the way down to the absolute highest earning, easiest to start opportunity out there today.
But first, just to give you an idea of the sheer scale of this whole thing, 39%. That is the number of Americans who currently have an active side hustle. That means, your neighbor, your coworker, or even your barista is likely running a stealth business on their phone right now, and collectively, they are generating billions in extra income every single month. Now, obviously, inflation is still hanging around, eating into those regular paychecks, but something massive has changed. Artificial intelligence has practically blown the doors off the hinges, creating brand new, highly lucrative opportunities that literally did not exist even 12 months ago.
Because let's be real, the entire paradigm has shifted. The old way of making extra money, total trap. It was just trading more of your already exhausted time for a few extra dollars, working harder, burning out faster. But the 2026 way, it's entirely different. The winners today are working smarter, not harder. They're leveraging these incredibly powerful AI tools and jumping into the exact right niches to maximize the return on their time. Keep that specific framework in the back of your mind as we count down our top 7.
So, kicking off our countdown at number 7, flipping and reselling. This is your go-to for fast cash.
If your main goal right now is just getting money into your pocket like within days to cover some bills or build up starting capital, this is absolutely still the gold standard. The mechanics haven't really changed. You're just playing the middleman. You buy low locally on Facebook Marketplace or hunt for hidden gems at thrift stores. Yeah, even that weird lamp someone threw away. And then you flip it to a global audience on eBay. But here's the crucial 2026 strategy to actually maximize your time. Focus exclusively on electronics and branded clothing. Those specific categories have the highest profit margins and the absolute fastest turnaround times right now.
And honestly, the earning potential here is genuinely eye-opening. Even people treating this as just a part-time weekend gig, if they stick strictly to those electronics and clothes, they're consistently pulling in $1,000 to $3,000 a month. It's reliable, it's fast, and hey, it works.
Moving on to number 6, we've got print on demand.
I love this one because it solves the absolute biggest headache of traditional retail, inventory. Literally zero inventory. No giant boxes of unsold t-shirts taking up half your garage. Here's the 2026 playbook. You don't even need to be a master graphic designer anymore. You just fire up AI tools like Midjourney, combine them with Canva, and you can easily create stunning, completely unique designs. Then you link those designs right to massive e-commerce platforms like Etsy and Shopify. When a customer orders, the printing company makes it and ships it straight to their door. You literally never even touch the product.
And unlike reselling, where you're constantly hunting for new items, this is largely passive. You set up a winning design once, and creators are comfortably clearing $5,000 to $10,000 a month, practically on autopilot. Coming in at number 5, becoming a UGC or user-generated content creator.
Think about it. We all instantly tune out those super polished, fake-looking commercials now, right? Well, brands know this. So instead of wasting money on high-end production, they're paying everyday people directly to shoot authentic, quick little videos reviewing or demonstrating their products. And here's the absolute best part if you're camera shy. A lot of times, you don't even need to show your face. Brands just want a video of your hands using a gadget or pouring a cup of coffee. Platforms like Billow make it insanely easy to connect directly with these brands and get started pretty much today. Just to put that into perspective, depending on the brand and what they need, you can command anywhere from $150 to $600 for a single 30-second video, shot right in your living room. String a few of those together each week, and man, you've got a massive income stream on your hands.
All right, halfway there. Number 4 is online tutoring and coaching. The true beauty of this side hustle is that you already own the inventory. It's your brain. It's your knowledge. Whether you're teaching conversational English to international students, passing on some highly specialized software skill, or just helping folks with test prep, you can absolutely monetize it. And the best part? You don't have to go knocking on doors to find clients. Huge platforms like Preply and Wisend have massive built-in audiences. They connect you directly with eager learners who want to learn on their schedule. Because demand for decentralized learning is through the roof right now, top tutors are consistently pulling in $50 to $150 an hour, all from the comfort of their own home office. It is fantastic, active work. But what if you want to totally detach your time from your income? Well, that brings us right to
Number 3, digital products in printables. This right here is the ultimate create once, sell forever model. You put in the elbow grease up front to build digital assets that people are actively searching for. We're talking beautifully designed life planners, fitness trackers, or even highly curated AI prompt packs. Once that file is done, you list it on marketplaces like Etsy and Gumroad. And from that point on, whether you sell one single copy or 10,000 copies, your effort and your costs remain exactly the same. It's a pure digital transaction. Picture this: waking up, checking your phone, and boom, you made 3 sales while you were dead asleep. Because the overhead costs are basically non-existent, creators are hitting $3,000 to $8,000 a month entirely passively, just off a handful of really well-designed digital files.
coming in incredibly strong at number 2, affiliate marketing. The core concept here is a classic. You promote other companies' products, and you earn a cut of the commission for every sale made through your unique link. But listen, the Elite 2026 strategy is on a whole other level. You aren't just spamming links to your friends on Facebook anymore. You're using AI to build highly viral, completely faceless digital real estate on YouTube or TikTok. By pairing high-converting affiliate offers with these automated content channels, you get a massive global reach and generate sales around the clock. And finally, drumroll please, the undisputed winner for 2026, AI-powered freelancing.
Forbes explicitly pointed this out as exploding right now, and the reason is super simple. Traditional businesses are absolutely desperate to use AI, but they are completely overwhelmed by it. That's exactly where you step in. You leverage artificial intelligence to offer rapid, high-quality content writing. You build out simple customer service chatbots. You hyperscale their social media management, or even specialize as a prompt engineer. You essentially become that incredibly valuable bridge connecting new tech with traditional business.
And because you are delivering massive, tangible value incredibly fast thanks to these AI tools, you throw the hourly rate out the window. You charge for the results. That's the secret. That setup allows you to confidently charge $500 to $2,000 per client per project. All right, so we've covered the top 7. But hold on, before you just randomly dive into one, you need a personal framework. Don't just chase the biggest dollar amount. You got to be honest with yourself about your schedule and your personality. Realistically, how much free time do you actually have to dedicate each week? Are you more of a behind-the-scenes creator, or does selling and marketing get you fired up? And what's your ultimate goal? Do you need fast cash right now, or are you willing to build slowly for a long-term passive income empire? Your answers to those questions will dictate exactly which of these 7 is your perfect match. Now make sure you grab the free Side Hustle Idea Tracker from the description below to help you map all this out. And definitely join us next week for our massive deep dive into the top AI hustle. But I want to leave you with one final thought. In an economy where AI is literally standing by to do the heavy lifting for you, are you going to leverage these new tools to build your financial freedom? Or are you just going to let another whole year slip by, trading your exhausted hours for pennies? It's totally your choice. So let me know in the comments, which of these 7 income streams are you starting today?